Hey everybody, this is Marcus from New York Maztech 315, and today we're going to be building a gaming PC. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a background. This PC right here is my daily driver. The one behind me is another PC we use for general tasks, but this is my daily driver that I use for gaming, video editing, anything I need to do personally. In front of me is my old setup. So I decided to go to DDR5. I got a brand new motherboard, processor, RAM, kept the graphics card I had and the rest of the parts just to kind of make it a cheaper of an upgrade instead of upgrading everything brand new. But I was stuck with this right here, which is my old DDR4 setup. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and buy some parts and upgrade it a bit. So we picked up, you can't see it on camera, but I got a thermal take, 500 watt, white, 80 plus white edition, or efficiency we'll say, of power supply. I picked up 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. I'm using my old B550 motherboard with 32 gigs of Trident Z RAM. The motherboard is an Asus B550F gaming motherboard Wi-Fi, Republic of Gamer. Behind us is a Rainbow Flash F4B RGB gaming PC case, or just a PC case with RGB lights, from DIY PC. I always usually go with DIY PC because even though they're not top tier cases, they're definitely great for the amount of money you pay for them, really. I did pick up this, which was an RX 570. It was supposed to be an 8 gig graphics card, but unfortunately it didn't work. I paid 50 bucks for it on Facebook Marketplace, and I reached out and I plugged it into the HDMI, and it was artifacting, sending up all those lines and grids right from BIOS. Checked the port to see if maybe it was just the HDMI cord. I put it in D port. It didn't work at all. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's too bad because this was a really good deal for this graphics card, but it doesn't work. So we're going to get rid of that. What we have here is an RX. I believe it's, I don't know if it's the 580 or the 480, but I believe it's a RX 480 or 470 4 gigabyte graphics card. When we hook it all up and put it in, I'll let you know more. Actually, I can let you know right now. It's an RX 550 4 gigabytes, so I was way off. So this does work, this graphics card. This was 35 bucks on Facebook. And so we're going to slap it all together and see what kind of performance we can get with 2023 gaming. So I'm going to go ahead and start building this. You stay tuned for the video, and then we'll switch over and see what this thing can do in gaming.